Welcome back to Insurance Funda. In this video, we'll continue exploring the client management section of the Smart All-in-One Calculator app. In part 1, we saw how to manage clients and schedules. Today, in part 2, we'll learn how to use the Policies tab, your complete policy management tool. In the Policies tab, you'll see a floating plus button in the bottom right. Tap it, and 3 options appear. 1. Add single policy. 2. Upload CSV. 3. Upload due list. Let's start with Add single policy. Here, you can enter details like client name, policy number, sum assured, plan number, term, and premium payment term. You can also select the payment mode yearly, half-yearly, quarterly, monthly, NACH, monthly, SSS, or single premium. When you provide the date of commencement, the valid first unpaid premium month and year will be auto-populated. Select them and save. On clicking the Save button, the policy will be stored and shown under the All Policies tab. Policies are automatically categorized based on their first unpaid premium, or FUP. Due list, policies with premiums due in the current month. Overdue, policies that have crossed the grace period. Lapsed, policies that have been unpaid for more than 6 months and need revival. You can also see all policies together under the All tab. You can edit or delete any policy using the Edit and Delete buttons. For example, if you need to update the FUP date or correct details, simply edit and save. The easiest way to add multiple policies is by using the Upload Due List option. Every month, LIC sends agents a premium due list PDF by email. Before uploading, download the file to your phone. Now, click on Upload Due List. A bottom sheet will explain the supported file types. Click Continue, select the downloaded PDF, and all the policies will be uploaded automatically. The app will categorize policies into due, overdue, and lapsed. For lapsed policies, a Show Revival Amount button will appear. Tap it to calculate the revival quotation, which you can share with clients via WhatsApp or email. Another method is Upload CSV. Tap the Upload CSV tab, and a bottom sheet with instructions opens. Download the sample CSV model, edit it with your policy data, and then upload. This is a quick way to add multiple policies at once. When you upload a new due list, the app will automatically check each policy's FUP. If newer FUP data is available, it will update only that, keeping your policy records always up to date. The Policies tab also comes with a powerful search bar. You can search by client name, policy number, or plan number, helping you locate policies instantly. That's how the Policies section works inside the Client Management module of Smart All-in-One Calculator. With these tools, you can easily manage policies, track dues, calculate revival amounts, and keep your business organized. In our next video, we'll cover the Proposals tab.